Here are my top high protein 6 p.m. healthy snacks to keep you on track. If you are like me and you feel hungry around 5 and 6 p.m., don't worry, I've got you covered. Hi, my name is Shirin. I'm a certified fitness coach and a nutritionist, and these are my favorite go to snacks. Don't miss out on the last one because that is my absolute favorite. Greek yogurt with seeds or nuts, hard boiled eggs, a plant or whey based protein shake, a protein bar, especially when you're on the go. And last but not the least is my absolute favorite, homemade hummus with carrot or cucumber sticks. Follow us for more such health and fitness tips. Your body will thank you.